Exactly. All right. Are you ready to jump into our first question?
Surprise question. Let's hit it up.
Do you dream while under anaesthesia?
Ooh, okie doke. That's a great question. My thoughts were no, I don't think that you do. It was from my primary knowledge because sleep, even though we kind of say it, is very different from being having an anaesthetic, and so certain things like dreaming don't tend to happen. But double check me on that one. Would you agree with me?
I would say when you're fully anaesthetized, I agree. You don't dream. When I say you shouldn't, you don't dream. But having said that, when you read experiences of people who've had awareness, then it can feel like a dreamlike state.
Specifically the awareness, or also the period around the awareness?
Who knows? And I think also a lot of people don't know the difference between sedation and general anaesthesia. Like a lot of my patients having colonoscopy, gastroscopy are saying, I was out of it. And when I say it actually wasn't a full general anaesthetic, and you might have some dream-like memories. You might remember, there was a dark room, people were talking. They said you won't feel any pain because it's not a painful procedure. That's what we're using sedation for. We don't do sedation for surgery as such. So in that big picture of people coming to theatre for procedures, maybe there can be a bit of dreaming.
It's sort of a way of building rapport and things like that. I always say, what would you like to dream about? And to sort of try and get them thinking sort of happy and positive thoughts kind of before they go off to sleep. And maybe I should start asking them afterwards, oh, did you dream about the dinosaurs? Oh, did you dream about that? And see if they say anything. But I use it in that respect, I suppose, a little bit. But it's a very interesting area.
I love it when you're having those conversations with patients just as they're about to go off to sleep, and then they wake up and they continue the sentence.
Yeah.
It's like this, the brain went off and the brain is on again.